Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? We're at the Giant City Visitor Center. So let's check it out. I don't usually visit this too much, but it's a pretty cool place. If you're ever down here at Giant City, be sure to stop in and check out the visitor center. An amazing Larry, the gray rat snake. And we got Tootsie the turtle. She must be hiding. There's Tootsie. Neat little bird exhibition here. A great horned owl and a barred owl. Really cool little topographical thing here. Different for the Red Cedar Trail and campgrounds and lodges and streets of Giant City, all that good stuff. Pictures of wildlife. And so you got a little museum area here. Got a little bobcat. It's gonna be my spirit animal, I guess. Oh dear. The Giant City Honor Roll. People that helped with the Civilian Conservation Corps. The story of when it was all made. Historic settlement. Some of the streets of Giant City there. Stone Fort. That's one of the trails in Giant City Park is Stone Fort. It's got a partial stone wall. Different arrowheads and artifacts in the area. Little area here. And the best part ever, what I came in here for, the beaver. My wife posed next to that one time as a joke. It's kind of funny. I know her name's not Winona. You see some of the rockledge habitat here they got in the museum. Copperheads, swallowtail, butterflies, lizards, all sorts of stuff live in all the rocks and ledges around the park. And some theories about how the streets of Giant City formed, moving the massive blocks. If you ever get on the Giant City Trail, it's a really neat trail. And a little bit of geology. Sandstone and shale. You see the river delta millions of years ago. A bunch of silt and stuff in the area. And then of course how things looked a long time ago. Well, everybody, we're gonna head out to the lodge for fried chicken lunch and see how it goes. If you're in the area, I encourage you to check out the visitor center. It's good for a little bit of learning. So we're here at the Giant City Lodge, eating, and just got our meal. Got smoked chicken, roast beef, and barbecue pulled pork. So you guys think the meals look pretty good?
Yes. Do you think yours looks good?
Yep. So we're gonna enjoy some lunch, and the rain just let up. Might hike a trail after this or go up the water tower. So we'll catch you back in a bit. After a good filling lunch, I just want to sit down and relax. I am stuffed. So the lodge is definitely a nice, relaxing place. This is the kind of place with the leather sofas that you just put your feet up, play a game of checkers, or take a nice little nap. You get your sugar coma going. Encourage you guys, if you're ever down at Carbondale area, just head about 15 minutes south, go to Giant City State Park. You can get the fried chicken dinners, all you can eat sides, all that, or you can get a full variety of other meals. And pulled pork barbecue sandwich, mighty tasty. Had smoky sauce and some Carolina red sauce options. I just mixed them both together. It was alright. And a coleslaw and a potato salad. Definitely had more than enough. Whew. I think I'm gonna take a nap. I always love that buffalo head. Beautiful fireplace. Oh man, you talk about the stairway to heaven or the stairway to hell. That way off in the distance is the Bald Knob Cross. It's past Alto Pass, Illinois. It's 150 foot tall. Going down is a lot easier than going up.
Oh. Seriously?
Fat man squeeze!
Batman squeeze?
Yes, the Batman squeeze.
This is just a dead end.
A dead end.
Yes.
A dead end.
Okay, we go back
This
now.
one's ripped off.
We go back now. Back into the land below.
The land below.
Die.
Okay.
Oh. It's all slippery here.
Oh.
What?
Just don't go on a wall.
Why? What is it?
It was just a spider.
Spider, where? What? Where? Don't laugh at a where? Would you like slippers?
Where? Somewhere. He was only about that big.
Oh, no, how big?
Dude.
Oh,
Ah.
for me. Better not.
You stay on that wall, you should be okay, I think.
I'm
Oh,
not looking at that wall.
you passed it.
Oh, thank God.
So what'd you guys think?
I don't like it.
Don't like it.
I was places where I can
Spiderophobic.
Oh.
Oh, you moving back into my home there?
Yep. Okay.
My cave dwelling.
Okay, now I am fine with this.
Yeah, that goes back a little ways.
Just if I see a scorpion, I'm gonna shut stupid.
What?
Rock. Oh.
Goes back quite a ways, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a nice snake thing.
Yeah. Be great for winter time. All the snakes will come in here and brumate.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can go back in.
Did it go all the way to the end, or did you find a...
There's only a dead end.
Just a dead end?
Yeah.
Dead ender. A little slick back here.
I am going to climb these rocks.
We should just like, in winter or something, we should just like go into the, whoa. There's a ring here.
Yep. Scrolling on the rocks.
S, no.
Something age 17.
Bigger.
Was it me?
Sugar? I don't know.
What's this thing?
WRWGER. I don't know.
Roger.
Well, whoever you are, old mystery man, we knew you were 17 when you scrawled that. You punk, you.
Jared 19. That was Jared 19, and I never learned how to read.
Those are beautiful rock bluffs here at the Trillium Trail, Giant City, Illinois. Look at all that.
That is very cool, but I do not like the scooters either.
Hey everybody, I'm out here on the Trillium Trail at Giant City State Park. So just doing little bits and pieces of it. My daughter and her friend don't really want to hike too much today. Boo! But I just want to come out here after the rain and just check out some of the bluffs and look at the creek and see how it's doing. And had a little bit of a downpour earlier. We were eating lunch at the lodge and got stuffed and probably can't hike too much either because I'm full. But I went up on a water tower and had some fun. So I'm just going to check out a little bit of bluffage here and go forth and head on home. The nice little creek right here, a good flow of water. Be a great place to camel up if you got a water filter. Now look at these bluffs. This is awesome out here. Look at all this.
There's a cool area up there that leads to like two things.
Did you go up there yet?
Huh?
Did you go up there yet?
Yes.
You have to like walk on the branch. It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
But it's nice. It's cool. There's a lot of graffiti up there.
Is that my new home?
Yep. You will live there now.
My cave in the woods.
Mountain
Okay,
Man.
but like, can this be my bed?
That?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so soft looking.
Maybe. We're up here in this little cavey part. A lot of cool graffiti in here. Some of this looks a lot better with light, but my battery's pretty low. Little neon stuff there. Glows pretty well. Pretty dark. It's awesome in here. So I just came up this little log that somebody propped up, climbed up the rock, and it's not too far from the road where the one shelter's at.
Stuff now?
Yes.
Well, you
What? And then on this channel.
Can fit 3 raccoons.
I don't want to know how they know that.
The diameter of a raccoon is 1 foot. If you do
And
the
it
math.
only takes 3 tries before a raccoon figures out how to get in. Oh!
This is
Hiking with.
beautiful bluffage, but not so beautiful dialect here.
Hey, it's still a part of nature, technically.
Uh-huh. So my battery's pretty low too, so I don't know how much footage I'll get today. I'm down to my last 5%, so we shall see. Oh, and she started dimming on me. Got some
Like you were saying, whoa.
beautiful bluffs here. And that's where the troll lives.
Hey, yes.
Little weedy back here. And that is the greenest rock I have ever seen. Greener than the whole Emerald Isle.
Yes.
Dance me a little jig.
Little lad dance.
So, you not wanting to go ahead, huh?
It's hot. I'll do it in.
It's humid.
I'll do it in winter.
Winter.
Yes.
I bought you that pocket knife. You said you'd do the Trillium Trail.
I will do it eventually.
Ah,
Just not right now. Our feet hurt. We have long sleeves on.
see what happens. Ill prepared. Well, someday I may get to hike this thing by myself. Well, everybody, sorry for this pitiful excuse of a hike. It's a very beautiful trail out here. It's about 1.5 miles, hour and a half or so to get around it. So start off the bottom, go around, eventually go up some stairs if I remember right. It's been a few years. And come out up top. View from the top's pretty nice. And eventually you work your way back down and end up at this one cave near the one parking lot. So there's 2 parking lots you can actually get onto this trail from. There's a main one that has just a few cars, and then a little further into the park there's one by a shelter that you can park and be a little closer to some of the bluffs and the streams and stuff. But yeah, well, it is what it is. Well, everyone, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Oh God, just give me an inch of mercy. I'll catch you guys again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching.